Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your name in a GoToMeeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in simple GoToMeeting, and then just go to left top corner to this profile and click my profile. Open it, and when you're gonna have it, you are going to see your name, and you just want to Marcus Stone or whatever and save. And this is how simple you do it. This is how simple it was. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you and provide you some guidance. So again, you go to left top corner, my profile, and in my profile, you're gonna just fill the name here. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.